Hello friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. We have one cubic equation known given that x1 is the smallest and x3 is the largest root of this cubic equation, and it is said to find the value of x2 times x1 plus x3. So let's get started. I will consider required expression E. So I can write E will be equal to x1 x2 or x2 x1 plus x2 x3. Now from this cubic equation, I will write sum of roots, product of roots, sum of roots taken two at a time equation. So let me write sum of roots first. So I will write x1 plus x2 plus x3 using Vita's method. This is equal to negative of b over a. So we will write minus of minus 4041 over square root 2020. So we can write 4041 over square root of 2020. Now we will write sum of roots taken two at a time. So x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x1. This is equal to c over a, but coefficient of x is missing, it is 0. So we will write it straight away 0. And I will use this equation as our required expression is x1 x2 plus x2 x3. So we can calculate E equal to x1 x2 plus x2 x3. This will be equal to, from this equation, minus x1 x3. So we are going to consider the product of smallest and largest root of this cubic equation with minus sign. So let's solve this cubic first. Equation is square root 2020 times x cube minus 4041 times x square plus 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to use substitution. Let's say y equal to x times square root 2020. So we can write x will be equal to y over square root 2020. Let's put this value of x to our equation. We will get square root 2020 x cube. So we'll be writing y cube over cube of square root 2020. We can write 2020 square root 2020 minus 4041 times x square. So we'll be writing y square over square root 2020 whole square will be 2020 plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can cancel square root 2020 from numerator denominator, and we will get y cube over 2020 minus 4041 y square over 2020 plus 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to multiply our equation by 2020 so that it will be denominator free. So we can write y cube minus 4041 y square plus 4040. 2 times 2020 is 4040. RHS will be 0 times 2020, 0. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. If I will simply add coefficients, I am getting one real root. Let me write equation here. Y cube minus 4041 y square plus 4040 equal to 0. Now I will plug in y equal to 1. We are getting one root. 1 minus 4041 plus 4040. It is satisfying our equation. We will say y equal to 1 is our base solution or base root of this cubic equation. Now we can use synthetic division method. Here we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of y cube is 1. Coefficient of y square is negative 4041. Coefficient of y is missing, so we will write 0. Constant is 4040. Now we will put one line over here. Leading coefficient 1 we will retain as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with this leading coefficient 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. We will add these two numbers and write minus 4040. Again we will multiply our base solution 1 with negative 4040. We are going to write here minus 4040. Addition of these two numbers will give us negative 4040. Again we have to multiply 1 with minus 4040. We will be getting minus 4040. And if we will add these two, we are going to get 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. We will write quadratic y square minus 4040 y minus 4040 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. I will use method of completing the square. So I will take this minus term 4040 to RHS first. So I can write our equation y square minus 4040y equal to 4040. Now half of 4040 is 2020. So we have to add a square of 2020 both sides. So I will write here 2020 whole square. Now LHS is perfect square of y minus 2020. And from RHS, if I will take 2020 common out, so in the bracket I can write here 2 and here we can write 2020. So this will become 2020 times 2022. Now we will take square root both sides. So we can write y minus 2020 will be equal to plus minus square root of 2020 times square root of, let me write in this manner, square root of 2022. Now we have to add 2020 to both sides. So we will get y will be equal to 2020 plus minus square root of 2020 times square root of 2022. Now I will take 2020 common out. So in the bracket we are going to write 1 plus minus square root of 2022 divided by square root of 2020. Now I can write two y values from here. Our first solution was y equal to 1. So if I will write y equal to 2020 in the bracket 1 plus square root 2022 divided by 2020 with plus sign, and another solution will be writing with minus sign. So I will write y equal to 2020 in the bracket 1 minus square root of 2022 over 2020. Conclusion is the second one is negative value. Square root 2022 over square root 2022 or square root of 2022 over 2020 will be greater than 1. So here we are going to get negative value. So we will consider this is our y1. This is our y1. And square root 2022 over 2020 will be greater than 1. So this value will be double of, approximately double of 2020. So we will say this is y3, the largest root. As we have the third solution, y equal to 1. That would be the middle one, y2. So I can write y1 equal to, we'll write 2020 in bracket 1 minus square root of 2022 over 2020. This is our smallest root, and the biggest root is 2020 in the bracket 1 plus square root of 2022 over 2020. Now our required expression is, after using Vita's method, this was minus x1 x3, and x1 will be equal to minus of y1 over square root 2020. This is x1, and similarly x3 will be y3 over square root 2020. So I can write will be equal to minus of, these two will give us 2020 in the denominator, y1 y3. Now y1 y3 is here, we have to multiply both. I will write minus of 2020 in the denominator, y1 y3. If I will multiply both, I am going to write 2020 whole square, and in the bracket we have to write a square minus b square formula. So we will write here 1 minus 2022 over 2020. Now we will cancel 2020 with one exponent or power from the numerator. So we will get minus 2020. In bracket we are going to write 2020 minus 2022. So we can write minus 2 in the numerator and 2020 in the denominator. So 2020 will be over, minus times minus becomes plus. We can write our answer will be equal to 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.